Engineering statics. A force of 300 pounds is applied to the frame as shown. Determine the moment at point O. Solution. The force F acts at an angle of 60 degrees from the vertical and has a magnitude of 300 pounds, so its horizontal and vertical components are Fx equals F times sin 60 degrees equals 259.8 pounds. Fy equals F times cos 60 degrees equals 150 pounds. For component Fx, the perpendicular distance from point O is 12 inches. 12 inch equals 1 foot, so the moment of this component is m2 equals 1 times Fx equals 259.8 foot-pound. Clockwise. For component Fy, the perpendicular distance from point O is 24 inches. 24 inch equals 2 feet, so the moment of this component is m1 equals 2 times Fy equals 300 foot-pound. Counterclockwise. Assigning a negative sign to m1 and a positive sign to m2 to account for their directions and summation gives the moment of F about O. m0 equals minus m1 plus m2 equals minus 259.8 plus 300 equals 40.2 foot-pound. MO equals 40.2 foot-pound clockwise. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you like this video.